नाम बना लेते हैं।
इस दुनिया में अगर अपनी कोई जगह बनानी है तो सबसे खूबसूरत जगह किसी की सोच में रहना, किसी की दुआओं में रहना और किसी के दिल में रहना।
In Bengaluru is known to satisfactorily cater to the demands of its customer base. It was started in 1990. The shop has developed a loyal customer base. It comes in the category of one of the best seafood shops in Bengaluru. The specialty of the shop is all types of fresh seafood items like fish, crab and prawns. It is also listed on other online portals like on Instagram, YouTube, Google. We follow our slogan, we always make you satisfied. Irshad Ahmed, also known as Mahbub Sharif, is the founder and sole owner of Rabani Fish Centre. Mr. Irshad Ahmed, along with his son Sihan Sharif, started this business at a very young age. He has done a lot of hard work and taken it to new heights. Today it has become a brand. Initially he started his career with an electric service store and a general store, but destiny led him to Rabani Fish Centre. Mr. Irshad also holds a diploma in electrical engineering. Our founder is known for his loyalty, humbleness, joyfulness and honesty. Mohammed Sahih Sharif is a young achiever. Rabani Fish Centre in Bengaluru.
Hi sir, so how are you? Good. So tell me more about your shop. How is it going?
It's going well. It set up in 1990.
Okay.
We give good quality fish. We get some mangrove and things.
Okay, great.
We keep every varieties.
Okay, so how many variety of fishes do you all have?
40 per way.
Okay.
But some fishes are rare, like bombed.
Yeah. Okay. So what about the quality and everything about the fish?
Quality is fish.
Okay, so you all give only fresh and quality fishes. Okay. And tell me more about your customers. Like, do you all have customer base in Ramsampalya?
Yeah, all customers are like customers now.
Okay.
They ask if we give.
Okay.
I will show you how to get the best seafood of your life delivered right to your doorstep. Ready for this? At Rabani Fish Centre in RS Palya, Bengaluru, we're all about bringing the ocean's finest to your home. Imagine savouring the freshest catch without leaving your couch. Sounds amazing, right? Just text your order to 9341258640 or 9108452460 a day before, and we'll take care of the rest. Whether you're in the mood for fish, prawns, or anything else from our list, we've got you covered. And the best part? Free home delivery within 1 kilometre, and it's all done in just 30 to 45 minutes. No more long waits. Freshness, convenience, and quality. That's our promise to you. So, why wait? Dive into the freshest seafood experience with Rabani.